Wow, this really does look like blood. Hey everybody, I'm gonna rolla. Valentine's Day is around the corner, and if I've learned anything from my 1.5 relationships, it's that the key to a strong partnership is communication and gift giving, if you have a partner who likes to be spoiled. So today we're gonna attempt a project that addresses both of those needs. We're gonna make conversation heart keychains. We're gonna find out, does this project really work? Is it as easy as everyone makes it look? Not to brag, but I do have 1 year of crafting under my belt now, so I don't think there's any way I could screw this one up. Let's get testing.
I don't like Valentine's Day, and I don't like crafting.
Gabby, we are one.
So first you're gonna start with a square of polymer clay, and you're gonna have to kind of knead it until it's flat and a little round.
So this is way easier than the last time we tried to use oven-baked clay. We're gonna squash this down and roll it out to get those fingerprints out of there. Then we're gonna take our cookie cutter and cut out a heart. And of course, I don't have enough clay. Let's try that again. And we cut out a heart. It's a little flimsy, but you know, I don't have enough oven-baked clay, so we're just gonna see if we can make this work somehow. All right, you know what? It's just gonna be an imperfect heart, because whose heart is perfect anyway? I mean, it really looks like a slice of cheese now.
So I'm stamping a message that I will not be hearing this Valentine's Day. Call me.
So rather than put anything fun and flirty on my heart, I thought I would put a message that you're more likely to hear in a relationship. Are you mad? Listen, nothing will get a conversation started like this question.
Once your message is stamped, you'll press in an eye hook in the top right corner.
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do that. This heart is too thin. We're just gonna have to perform some emergency heart surgery and graft this onto the back. Is that gonna be strong enough? Let's do some baking.
We're gonna pop these into bake. Follow the directions on your clay's packaging.
Voila! Our hearts are out of the oven. They did not break. So I guess it's time to start painting. And hopefully we'll do a better job than Gaby did. Call me! All right, we'll get some red paint and stay in the lines. Wow, this really does look like blood. All right, painting is not my expertise. I'm gonna blame the brush for this though.
Once you're done painting in your message, you're gonna attach the lobster clasp to your eye hook.
And there you have it. Our realistic conversation heart keychains are done. We've got Are You Mad? One of my favorite things to get in a text. Fine. And the cousin to fine, K. You know, I kind of dig this blood red effect. It's menacing and it kind of matches the tone of the messaging. I do have to admit though, I could have done a few things differently. First of all, the color of the clay. I think if you wanted to make something a little bit more edible, pastel would have been a better choice. Also, I really needed twice the amount of clay. These should be pretty thick. Or a smaller cookie cutter. But then if I had a smaller cookie cutter, I would need smaller stamps and then it just becomes a big issue. So what's the most romantic thing somebody has texted you? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time and hopefully I'll do better. Stay crafty.